From January in 2021, we started playing popular music as our main music. We picked some music, and on this video, we'd like to share what we are teaching through the music believer with you. Made music just doesn't teach only the music. We always teach something extra. We are hoping you enjoy the music. At the same time, you get something extra from us always. Thank you. What point made music focuses when we teach this music to the student? We focuses on triplet. I'd like to play the place that is on this second page.